Now welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to promote your business, or maybe you have something that you want to promote on TikTok, that is to sell it to many people or to help to push to many people. So by the end of this video you will know how you can run your own ads, that is if you want to promote a business on TikTok, or you have a service that you want many people to see it by sponsoring or by paying for it. So now this is the TikTok app. Now what you have to do is that you just have to tap on your profile. That is, you tap on your profile here. All right, so when you come to your profile, just go to the menu that you see at the top right here. Right, so when you get there, then you see the promote. So tap on the promote. Right, so when you tap on the promote, now you can see three tabs here. The first one is create. The second one is the dashboard. That will show you the ads that you've run. So the dashboard shows you some ads that you have run so far. So if you can see, I ran some ads just to test the system to see how their ads works. And then the mine is where you can see information about your account. So now let's see how to run or create a new ad. So let me tap on the create. Now the ads comes in various three sections. We have the boost account. The boost account is maybe you just need more video views, or maybe you want more followers on your account, or you want more profile view. So these are the options that you see under the boost account. And we have the get sales. So maybe probably if you are selling something, or you have a product that you are selling that you want people to patronize or to get more sales, you can choose this get sales. So here we have a more visit to your website. So when you tap here, you can see the option that you want to use. So if you have a website, probably you have to put in your website address here. So that is it. But if you want to also redirect people to your WhatsApp contact, you can just put up this simple URL there. So HTTPS, and then you put the WAME, and then /, and then you can put in your WhatsApp number, but please make sure that you put in your country code before your WhatsApp number. So if you don't have a website, you can use this as a URL to redirect people to your WhatsApp directly. All right, so that is the sales, to get more sales. So you can choose either you have a website, you can also choose shop now. These are all call to action that you can choose from. So let me just go back here. And then they also have the get leads. Now the get leads also, maybe you want to just get more calls or phone calls. If you want to get more messages, or maybe from the other messaging app, you can choose that. So if you come here, you need to choose your goal for the ads that you want to run, whether you want to just boost your account, that is your TikTok account. Maybe you want to get more followers, or you want to get more profile views. So in our demonstration here, I'm just going to use the first one. So probably I want to get more views on my video. So let's assume maybe you have a video that is an ads, or you have a short video telling people about your business. I think it's good to promote it using the boost account. So when I come here, I just need more video views, so I'll just leave it there. And then when you come here, you will see your media that you have uploaded. So if you have more videos on your account, or on your profile, you can choose. Currently I only have 2 videos here. If you want to add a new video, you can just tap on this one, and then you can upload a video. For demonstration sake, let me use one of these videos. So you can choose more videos. When you tap here, you can see it has selected 2 media, but I just want to use the other video. So now when you come down here, then you can choose your promotion pack. So you can start as little as $1.8, that is, and then you will be getting almost 1.49k, that is 1,409 to 3,901 views. So that is a day. So we have video views in a day. So they also have 2.23k to 5.87k, that is $2.7. And I believe you can just go by this with a small budget. You will get a lot of views to your video. So here you just choose in your package. Now if you need more customized, or maybe you want to get more than what you see, you can tap on the customize here. So when it comes to the customize, then you can set your own budget. So how much do you want to spend a day? So probably you can slide this depending on how much you want to spend a day. So you put it out there, and the number of days that you want to run the ads. Okay, maybe you want to run it for maybe 3 days or 4 days. After you just choose whatever that you want to use, and then you can just go to the pay. So if you have link your card to the system, you can just go ahead and do that. So I've already added a card, so you can just hit on the pay and start promotion. That will help to push your product or your service to the people or to the users on TikTok, whereby they'll be able to see all whatever you are doing, and then you get a response to it. So if you just look at what I run, I just want to show you something. I just choose a minimum of just $1.8. That is how much I spent, and then I got almost 1,068 views. So you will see that this as I got 2 new followers. My target was on more video views, not on followers. And then I also even get profile views of 6. So you see that this video made an impact. It had likes of 200, and I had a video views of 1,068. That is how the TikTok ads is. It's very, very effective. So you can try it and then use it to promote whatever that you are doing. So if I come back here and then show you the video, so this is the video that I promoted. So that's the video that I used for promotion. I got 1,006 plus, and as it stands now, it's still counting. There are some views that are coming. So that is how the TikTok ads is. It's very effective, and I want you to just try it to promote whatever business that you have, or maybe whatever service that you have, because at the end of the day, when you do that, the algorithm will recommend your video. It will push up your video to the users on TikTok, and it can help to go viral for you to attract more sales or to attract more customers. So let me know in the comment section if you're having any challenges on how you can run this ad. Just put up the comment there, and I'll be there to guide you and help you. So see you in the next video. If this video has been very helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and also share it to help others. Bye bye.